Alright, we're back for a rainy and dull day and another video. And this one's about my financial manager, also known as my wife. Some time ago I was on King Island and I found a feather laying around. Now I ended up putting this in my business card holder, and it took a while to identify this. The reason feathers are important is I pick them up for my wife all the time. Whenever I'm sort of thinking of her, I bring home a feather. They tend to last a little bit longer than flowers, and given that there's a bit of Native American heritage involved in things, it seemed only fitting. And I've done this a number of times. All around the house there are feathers everywhere, including some fairly decent sized ones that I happen to have found in my travels. Everywhere you go in this house there's little stashes everywhere, and some very interesting ones. Now, the problem we're starting to run into is some of the more delicate feathers here. It's kind of difficult to find somewhere to keep them that is going to actually not get damaged. We are starting to see a little bit of an overflow with a range of different feathers that I've been able to pick up over the last 12 years. Now, I've started to tick off my bucket list, including a bit of international travel and a bit of, I think, interstate and remote area travel. And I wasn't able to pick up a feather from New Zealand, but I was able to find this guy over in Curry in King Island. It turns out the best I can identify this is it's a King Island raven, one of the plumage feathers. In any case, I'd like to keep this one in its own little case. Now, I looked at this little magnetic case I'd made for my business cards, and it seemed to do the job nicely. So I got into AutoCAD, which has taken me half a day to get working again because I went to Windows 11 and that completely messed it up. In any case, I've redesigned my business card holder just to use a few screws to hold it together and a single 2mm layer in the middle. I think that should keep it probably fairly well presentable. And but yes, it is a little bit special, and it's come from an area that is a little difficult, and I do believe the King Island ravens are specific to King Island, although they are a diversification of the ravens we get, the little ravens we get in mainland Australia. But in any case, I'm going to go out and try and laser cut something to fit this in, and tomorrow is our 12-year anniversary, so hopefully it'll go as a nice little gift. Alright, to the messy shed we go. Been on all our stuff. I believe I was transferring some files, so this machine should be awake. We'll fire up the laser cutter, the fan and the compressor, and we'll put some plastic in and see what we can do. Need to fix this point. Alright, there's our parts. Alright, we're back at the desk. We have the modified version of this that is a little thinner but should still nonetheless do the job. And we laser engraved the date in there. So that should be nice. Now we've got to peel the paper off and then put some screws in this. This is the scratch guard paper that's usually on both sides. You generally peel one off to do the laser engraving. If you want to do engraving, if you just want to cut it, sometimes you can just ramp the laser power up a bit and leave the paper on, and you do get a better finish. But a little 40-watt laser like I've got, you just take the top layer off. Alright, we have a collection of random 3mm nuts and bolts. We will find, with a pair of tweezers, the right length ones to fit. We have about 9mm worth of stuff, so I'd say these guys will probably be right. We get 4 of them. If they're not, we have some shorter and some longer ones we'll find a couple that fits. Because I'm on a bit of a time crunch, I'm going to do that off camera. Right, and we're done, and I can put my business cards back in the business card holder, which would be good. And we have a nice little gift here that has, because of all the static from peeling off the paper, it's picked up some dust and stuff, but that's easy to be opened and cleaned out. But yes, we'll give this a bit of a clean up and dust off, and we'll present that. But it worked out as planned. So yeah, here it is, and we'll move on to another video. See you later.